Look, a road goes this way. The sky is way up high, and the ocean sparkles ahead. Whoosh! Here comes a car. Whoosh! Here comes a plane. Whoosh! Here comes a fish. Wait, say hello to Wheelie the car. Wheelie has round wheels. Can you find something round in your house? Look close. The wheel grips the ground and spins forward. That's how Wheelie rolls. Watch Wheelie go. Smooth road, easy peasy. Bumpy gravel, crunch, crunch, soft sand. Uh-oh, the wheels get stuck. Wheels love hard ground best. Let's sing. Round and round, wheels go round, rolling on the... Now meet Sky Sam the airplane. Sky Sam flies way up high. But how? Look at the wings. They push the air down, down, down. And that lifts Sky Sam up, up, up. Let's sing. Up and up. Here's Bubbles the fish. Guess which one moves through water? You got it. Bubbles. Watch her tail fin swish side to side. It pushes the water back, and Bubbles glides forward. Let's sing. Swish and swish. Fins go. Now look. Wheelie, Sky Sam, and Bubbles all together. Here's the big secret. Every mover pushes against something to go forward. Wheels push the ground. Wings push the air. Fins push the water. Different. Ready for a wow fact? Some animals use more than one way to move. Look at this cheerful duck. Up top, it has wings to fly. Down below, it has webbed feet that work like little fins. Wings and fin, you did it. Now you know how movers move. Let's sing them all. Round and round, wheels go round. Up and up, wings go up. Swish and swish, fins go swish. Wheels roll, wings lift, fins glide.